Well, it's been a long time since I left you. Left you without a dope beat to step. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to all my bankers. If you are new here on this channel, please come on and join the Banks family. We're on this channel. I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. Now let's get into this video. Well, okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be coming at you guys with my Boxyluxe box for the month of December. Everybody knows that if you're ordering anything or you're waiting on anything to come to you, packages is not slow. They not mad slow. They like creeping, barely getting to you before the month is over. So I've got some things that I'm waiting on, some things that have came, but they're kind of like slowly creeping in. So I'm gonna be coming at you guys with quite a few things here coming up in a little bit. But this is my Boxyluxe. This is the bigger box for the month of December. I'm not gonna be like holding up the box and going through all that jazz this time, because I do want to talk to you guys about something that I just want to know what your opinion is, how you feel about it, what you're thinking of doing. And it's a red hot subject for our country right now, and it is about COVID-19 vaccine. If you guys know, in my last video I was telling you guys that I am a healthcare worker, and I've already been offered this COVID-19 vaccine, and we're going to get into that in just a bit. But first, we're going to go ahead and get into this box. So I got variation, because I always like to tell you guys what variation I got. And you know what, I'm not even going to be able to tell you this time, because they did not give a variation this time. The theme for the month is Bubbles and Glitz. And this is actually what the card looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my eyes, because, excuse me, I already used that portion of the box already. And what I used on my eyes today is the C Note. This is by Hip Dot. And it's the C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. And this is the outer carton. And I will show you guys what it looks like on the inside without blinding you, I hope. So guys, this is a really pretty palette. This is a look that I came up with, just a little something green, because, you know, it's Christmas time, guys. It is. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, some of us are kind of connected through YouTube and all, but y'all have been lighting it on fire with these vlogmas. I mean, I really enjoyed it. I didn't do it. I thought about it, but I'm glad I didn't, because I certainly would have had to stop in between, because I wouldn't have had the time to do it. I've actually been gone for a couple weeks, as you guys can see, and basically when duty calls, it does just that. It calls, and you got to answer the call. This is what I signed up for. So I'm gonna give y'all the price on the Hip Dot palette. It says that the MSRP for it is $30. I think this is a really nice palette. It was a few colors in there, the darker ones, that I was having a little trouble with. You know, I kind of used it in my crease. But as far as the rest, I think it's a pretty nice palette. So if you can happen to get your hands on it for yourself or someone, it's the C Note. CE Note. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, and it's by Hip Dot. Okay, so before I move on to the next thing, the vaccine. So I was offered the vaccine. I did decline for various reasons. I mean, reason number one that I declined is because I have no idea what's in this vaccine. I don't know what it could possibly do to me once it's inside of my body. It was made pretty fast, and I mean, for those of us that are really in need of this vaccine, you know, kudos. I thank them for getting on it and, you know, getting something started. But it's a no for me. I personally do not want the vaccine also, I am a mask wearer. I wear my mask to work. I wear my mask out to in the public. I wear my mask around my family. So I am abiding by the rules. I'm wearing my mask, protecting others from myself from others, and I'm just gonna simply continue to keep abiding by that. So I'm not feeling real confident about the vaccine. I mean, I'm not saying that it's not gonna work. I'm not in any way, shape, or form trying to coerce or convince anyone else not to get the vaccine, but it's just not for me. But what I want you guys to do is leave me a comment below telling me that when your chance comes for you to get this vaccine, when the opportunity opens up, the door opens, will it be a yes or will it be a no? And we're moving on. Okay, so the next thing that I did receive in this box, and I did want to put this one on with you guys, is the Iconic London. This is called the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. I pretty much had every other part of my face done. I'm going to use the hip dot. This is what it looks like right here. Has some bronzers, some blushes, and some highlighters in there. And let's see how much this is. This is retailing for, the MSRP on this is $55. No. And you know, guys, I always usually tell you guys whether I would or would not pay that price for that. The hip dot, 30. I don't know, maybe hip dot's coming up on the charts, but it's not something that I've heard a lot about. I'm not exactly sure I would pay $30 for this. But looking at the greens, I do love green eyeshadow. I just may. I think I would if it was 20% off. So if I had a coupon or something. As far as this goes, paying $55 for that, I'm gonna have to say it's a no for me. One, there's not a bronzer in here that I don't even think is gonna match my skin tone. So I'm just going straight in for a blush, whatever I can find. I'm just gonna use this brush right here, and I'm going to use this blush right here. Okay, apparently I'm not gonna have a just gonna smile, get the apples of my cheeks going. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a little something with, let me see. Oof, guys, there's nothing in here that I can possibly use for a bronzer. So we're gonna go bronzerless today. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna reach back here and grab a this little brush, and I'm gonna use this color right here, which I can't even tell you what the names of them are because they don't have any names. But we're gonna put this on as our highlighter everywhere. Okay, so yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be that look for now. And I mean, I don't think this is anything to write home about. Definitely not $55 worth. Moving on. The next thing that I received was the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. It says that this exfoliates. This is some type of treatment for your skin, supposed to exfoliate. And I am going to be trying this, guys, because it is wintertime and my skin is like saying, we thirsty. We thirsty. My skin will start to peel. It becomes really dry, and really whatever type of moisturizer I put on it, it doesn't really seem to get in there and get it rejuvenated. So if I use this product right here, I'm thinking it may kind of exfoliate that top layer off, and then when I put my serum or whatever on top, I will be able to get some penetration. Okay, so the MSRP for this little guy right here, the Sunday Riley, is $85. No, I'm not paying $85 for that. And I mean, I love skincare, I'm all about it, but $85, I'm sure that I can find something that's going to treat me a little bit better than that. Okay, so the next thing we have is the Brazilian Kiss. I have had this in one of my Boxyluxe before, but not this shade. I have no idea why they put this back in again. So Boxyluxe, on that note, BoxyCharm, excuse me, y'all tripping. But I'm not gonna be mad about it because I think this color may actually work with my skin. This is the one in Keep It Rio, and the other one that I had was like a little bit darker. This is what this one looks like. We're going to apply this together. I do actually see, I'm not even mad at that. I'm not mad at that color at all. It gives your lips a little sheen, a hint of color, and plus I already have like a little liner on already. So yeah, that just came together fairly well. Let's see what the MSRP on that is. Sol de Janeiro is $20. I believe I told you guys before I would not pay $20 for this. It does have a very strong scent of like a coconut or butter, so if you're not really used to that and you don't think you can handle that, then I would definitely not go out and purchase this. I believe this is going to be sold at Sephora. Guys, I just need to, I'm shaking my camera, but I need to spray a little bit of something. I don't know, it seemed like I was just looking a little, I don't know, a little dry again. Okay, so the next thing I have are these Luxy brushes. And the leather on these brushes, this is a really cute case and all, but this is the case. But the leather on these brushes, baby, is strong. This is really strong. Bring my camera down just a bit. So it was like a little purse at first, and then you open it up. I mean, it's a cute case. It has a flap. And what do we have? 8 brushes in here. I did not use them today. I was going to, but I have not cleaned them, and I just don't really feel all that comfortable using them on my face, and I haven't cleaned them yet. So let's see what they're called, the glitter and gold brush set, and the MSRP on those are $85. No, yes, $85. So I'm definitely gonna have to say that's a no for me. I have entirely too many brushes. This is the BH cosmetic brush set that I was using earlier, and I believe it was $20, and I can take that. I think it had 10 brushes in it. I mean, that's cool. $85 for a brush set. No baby, no baby. The next thing that I have is the Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. This is a hair conditioner. It's supposed to be gold infused. It's supposed to have 7 mystic ingredients in it. Crushed diamonds, rose of Jericho. Okay, so the MSRP on this is $22. I don't know that I would use this. I may give it a try. You know, honestly, I may. Seems to smell pretty good. I may give it a try, but I've never heard of this, and I don't really know what that's about. Got to do a little bit more research with that, guys. And the next thing I have here is the Symbiosis. This is a hyaluronic acid, a tightening and resplendent eye mask. So this is what this looks like. It is, the MSRP on this little teeny tube is $93. I'm not even going to talk about it, but what it better do to my eyes is take all the dark circles. I not sleep for a whole 24 hours, and it better tighten up those bags like I've been rested for 12 hours. This better be some good stuff. If I ever in my life purchased this for $93, girl, no, I'm not even talking about it anymore. The very last thing that I have in this box is something that's a little different. I'm actually kind of excited that we did receive this, because this was like a skincare makeup box. But we received these Zaxi, what are they, cushion cut earrings. So yes, these are always good. I could actually put them in today, but I just was rocking my hoops and, you know, doing my hoop thing. But let me tell you guys what the MSRP on those are. $36. Studs, they're supposed to be brilliant 2-carat cushion cut cubic zirconias. I'm not mad about it. I think they're really cute. Overall, this month's box was okay. I wouldn't say like it's my favorite box, but I think it was a pretty good box. I only put out, I believe it's $49.99, and I'm sure that the actual price of everything altogether, according to the MSRP, is far well over that. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I love you guys for watching. Please come back and let's do it all over again. And please don't forget to leave me in the comment section what you are going to do when your time comes to receive this COVID-19 vaccine. And I will see you guys in the next video, and be blessed.